Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to visit Washington DC and want to explore the iconic US Capitol building, I have some fantastic news for you. You can take a free guided tour of the Capitol, and today I'm going to walk you through how to register for one. Let's dive right in.
It is the branch that decides how much money the government will spend and where to spend it.
Wait, Heather.
Since the founding of the nation, it's been the job of Congress to set priorities and promote the public welfare, to keep the nation safe and to fund the armed services, to mobilize for war when necessary, and approve the treaties that end it, to extend help during times of need, and to provide a national need base. This place, the Capitol, the heart of the American Republic, is where we express our concerns and our passions, our pride, and when need be, our sorrow and our resolve. What about you? What do you want to see happen in our nation, in your communities, in life? From safe food and drugs to renewable energy, veterans programs, privacy protection, from workplace safety to the exploration of space. What do you want to change? What do you hope will never change in this country of ours? What you think, what you believe, what you want, shapes what happens here. When you make your voice heard. Welcome to the United States Capitol.
The video you just watched, they will let you watch the video once you are inside the building. But let's finish the process of completing the reservation. So first thing first, you need to head over to the official US Capitol Visitor Center website. Let me show you where to go. Just type in www.visitthecapitol.gov. The spelling of the Capitol are CAPITOL. It's not CAPITAL. So again, www.visitthecapitol.gov. Into your browser's address bar, you will land on the official site, which has all the information you need about tours. Once you are on the website, you will see a button that says Reserve a Tour right on the home page. Click on that and you are on your way to secure your spot for a tour. Here is where the magic happens. You will be taken to the tour reservation page. This is where you can choose the date and time for your tour. So plan ahead. Remember, these tours can get booked quickly, especially in the busy tourist seasons. So it's best to make your reservations as early as possible. Don't worry, it's all totally free. You will need to select the number of tickets you need and provide your name, email address, and any other required details to confirm your booking. Once you have filled out your details, be sure to check your email for the confirmation and any additional instructions. It's also a good idea to arrive at least 30 minutes before your tour to go through security. The Capitol building has tight security, so make sure you have a government-issued ID ready. And that's it. Your tour is reserved and you are all set for an unforgettable experience in one of the most important buildings in the US government. Once you are on your tour, you will get to explore the beautiful Capitol Rotunda, learn about the history of the US Congress, and discover some fascinating stories behind the building's architecture and design. It's an experience you won't want to miss. So this was my first tour to the US Capitol building. I was had a lot of fun here. Look at the beautiful carvings on the wall that depicts the history, and there are beautiful paintings all over the walls. So I will let you have fun with whatever voice you can hear from the guide, the guy who is in red clothes. So he was our guide. So basically they will take you in a theater, they will give you the presentation, and then they will assign you a guide that will take you to the different rooms of the building.
Get to know me better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we let it fade away? Can we let it fade by? Can we let it fade away? Can we let it fade?
So I will leave all the information you need for reserving a spot for the Capitol building in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Safe travels and enjoy your tour of the Capitol building. Thank you and Happy New Year.